Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So, if you wonder and you think, you know what, is it easy to build while living in the diaspora? It's not, but I think for me, it is quite fun. So, early in the morning today, I am here, not far from where we are building the site, and I'm here to pick up cement. And it's just about 7 in the morning. I had to travel early to try and make sure that we get the cement for the guys to start pouring concrete for the work that we are doing. So my day is so busy today. I've got so many meetings that I have to attend to, and I just, I feel great. Shout out to Dr. Mishek for really helping us with that van. It's been amazing. And so I'm here. This is where we buy all the cement. See, when you are building back home, you have to support the locals. And this is what we are doing, as you can see. So let's keep on building. Let's keep on doing what we are doing. And I will show you what I'll be doing today. I have to buy a gate. I have to negotiate. Need 2 gates, and they're really expensive. But so far, I have been to 2 places where I have. So I know roughly how much I should be buying those things. So we are buying cement, and this is in Palmville. Palmville is not it's about 165 the bag. So that's in Palmville cement, and as you can see, the gentleman here is putting that in the car. So hopefully we can be able to carry enough for the guys to start working today. And so follow me as I go around today, and I'll show you what I am doing. So it is amazing. I mean, what time is this now? It's just about to get to about 8. And the guys are already on site. I need to call the architect today to verify some dimensions. You always have to get in, you have to be speaking to the architect. It's really important to keep on speaking to the architect and making sure that whatever you design, whatever you build is up to code, meets the building regulations of the land. It's important, and I've already said this, it's important for us to make sure that we adhere to the laws of the Republic of Zambia. I am supporting the locals. I'm supporting a local business here. And if you are building here in Vona, I highly recommend guys that, the lady where we're buying the blocks, and where we're buying cement, and the gentleman, this is a company that we're buying the blocks from. So you will get it. You just remember to mention my name if you can, and you'll be fine. Done. Oh yeah. No, but that's fine for now. Oh, you almost started.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but this is too small, is it? Oh, anyway, it will be big.
Yeah, it's big.
It's big. Okay. So that's good. So I've got 20 pockets of cement in there, and there is another 15 pockets of cement which we need to get. So now let's see because the architect wants us to verify some dimensions. Yeah.
So the height is from
right.
This is 2.6 from that height.
2.6. Okay.
2.6. Yeah. So as
you're reaching there.
Yeah. So meaning the gate will be here. Just here.
Okay.
So it's fine.
Yeah. No, but my concern was when I come out, I'll be walking because there's going to be a cab. Yeah. There's going to the paving.
Yeah.
So you've got the paving, so the cab will probably be there. So the guy will just a little bit of concrete there, and already you are on there.
Yeah, this is a guard room.
This is a guard room. And then going in here, still
we are going to put the storeroom. We need a storeroom here.
Okay.
Yeah, storeroom, and that side we are going to put a toilet.
We're going to put a toilet.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the light for us on this one is fine.
It's fine.
Because I don't want to use a lot of space.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Yeah.
But I need to, let me just confirm, let me tell the architect and say this is what we are trying to do and he can work with that. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, so I am right now on site, and when you hear me talk about a trusted contractor, this is
Mr. Everson Piri.
Everson Piri. We are not related. Piri is like the Patel of Zambia, but he's my brother from Eastern Province, and he's teaching me the language because if I do from the Bemba. Yeah. So he's the man in charge. He's the guy that has been doing the work for us.
Yeah.
Built the wall fence here and other works that we have actually showed on this. You might have not seen on this channel. You might have not seen or recognized or understood that when I talk about a trusted contractor, this is the man that I'm talking about. But, right, so, Mr. Piri, let's go around and just show the people what we are thinking of doing in the next few days.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So, right, so what were we doing here?
Now we are planning to do a guard room.
Yes, a guard room.
Also storeroom.
And a storeroom.
And the toilet.
And the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's important that before we start doing whatever we want to do on site, we have somewhere where we can store our goods.
Yeah.
And the guard room temporarily will work as somebody can stay there.
Yeah.
And watch over the whatever construction that we are doing.
Yeah.
Here. So how long do we think we can do this?
Yeah, I think in 5 days we can finish this project.
This thing can be done in 5 days.
5 days, yeah.
Yeah. So before I go back, we will be able to look at this and say it's actually done. Mm-hmm. So you could see the wall fence was done by this man, and it took 2 days. Sorry, took 10 days.
Yeah, 10 days.
And it's not just this plot and this plot.
Yeah.
So when we're talking about building in the from the diaspora, this is what we are looking at. Here is somebody from the diaspora. Here, this is mine. That's from the diaspora in the UK. The next one, somebody from the US, and another one from the UK. So this is like a diaspora little community that we are creating here. And if you are out there and you want somebody that is dependable, he has a lot of people that are working for him.
Yeah.
There is Mr. Piri. And you can go anywhere, is it?
Yeah, anywhere.
Wherever there is work.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you are building in Shangombo or what's that, the district there, very far to
Eastern Province, Livingstone, Copperbelt, Mongu, Nakonde, yes. Yeah.
There we are. There is Mr. Piri, my trusted contractor. So when you hear me talk about the trusted, that's the man. So he's got this job here and he's got another job which we need to finalize for another person who is in the diaspora. He will do the work for me. So, right, so keep on watching us, and yes, there's some more that I have to show you today. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Shiny. Fantastic. And I thought, why not jump onto this idea? Now listen to this and let's just start building.
You could say that everyone can do it and not just
about 100 mil. Now, if you look at that, that's more or less like a slab in itself.
I was chilling with the bros who was up for a night out. Yeah. So you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey. Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became related.